push my syringe down, the air has occupied the space, and then when I lift my finger up, the water will go in. So what happens is that the water is actually displacing the air, and I will go in and I will inject the air into this bigger syringe. And can you tell that the water level is decreasing? All right, the water level is decreasing because air flows in, and now the air takes up more space. So air flows in, the air will displace the water, and the water level will decrease, and the water will flow out. Right, that air flows into the bigger syringe and occupies more space. Air flows in, occupies more space. It will displace the water, and the water will then flow out. Air flows in to displace the water. The air displaces the water, and the water level will decrease. So let's look at the question that let's look at the experiment that we just did. So basically I have some water over here. I have sort of a syringe, and this is my water level. This is my water level. This is my container water level. And I have some kind of a delivery system, right, to inject air inside. So this kind of questions always need to use the DEF. The DEF. So D is for displace, E is for escape, and F is for flow. So question, what is flowing in? What is flowing in? So the answer is air flow in. Right, that's the answer. That's literally the answer. Air flows in. Okay, air flows in. But you just write it a bit nicer, like air flows into the test tube, into the syringe and whatnot. What escapes? So air flows in. What escapes? Water escapes. All right, water escapes from the syringe. And what displays what? Okay, so when air flows in, there's going to be more air over here, and the air will then displace the water. And if you see the water, right, the water level will decrease, and the air will displace the water, right, because the water level will decrease. So air displaces water. Now, in this kind of question, right, they love to ask you what happens to the water level. So you have to say the water level decrease. You have to say the water level decreases. And then after that, use my DEF law, right? Air displaces water, water escapes, air flows in.